Hey, what's up guys? In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your high beam or your bright bulb on a Honda CRV. So the first thing you want to do is take your left hand and push in on the tab right there on the wire plug with your index finger. And then with your right hand, while you're pushing on the tab, come down and right here on the edge, you want to push down on it. And you'll feel it start to slide, and then once it slides, just take it and pull down on the wiring plug and it comes off of the bulb. And then take the bulb and put your thumb on top and your index finger here on the bottom and just spin it counterclockwise, and then it'll stop once you spin it, and then just pull it directly out and the bulb's out. And this bulb is a 9005. I'll put a link in the description below, the bulb you need. And to replace it, to put it back in, you're gonna stick it in. It's gonna be at an angle, it's gonna be facing the motor, kind of angling down, and slide it in and then turn it clockwise while putting some pressure, pushing towards the headlight, and push it in and turn it and it'll stop. And then go ahead and grab your wire plug and just slide it back on, and you'll hear it click, and you're good to go. That's it guys, that's how you change your bulb. Thanks for watching.